Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Free Landscapes blog. So I redid my garden again and it looks better than I've ever done it before, and I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what I've done. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. So I am trying to make more YouTube videos, but I've been so busy designing landscapes that I just have not had time. Alright, so all the plants are here. I am potting things up. I may not show you the process of me potting them up because I have to set up the tripod and all of that, and I just really want to get this done. So the only thing I've actually potted so far is the Fragaria chiloensis. And then these are the existing Dudleyas that I was talking about. There's two over there, a bunch over here that are going to get reused. So I'm going to show you what the garden looks like. Most of the original plants I either gave to neighbors or they died, with the exception of the Dudleyas. Anyway, here I have a buckwheat, Eriogonum cinereum. The idea is that this will kind of hide the water hookup. And then this chair here is so that when I open this gate and I walk in, I can put stuff here in case I need to unload. So in here I have Galvesia Gencia Gran Canon with some Fragaria chiloensis and a Dudleya pulverulenta. This is a Salvia. Shoot, I can't remember the species all of a sudden. But I will link all the plant names, genus, species, common name in the descriptions. So in this pot we have a Ceanothus, more Galvesia, Monardella, odoratisima. The same buckwheat and same other types of plants with a Dudleya. Some of the Dudleyas I have, I just can't remember the species. And then just some accessories here, another Dudleya here. This, I'll show you what it looks like at night as a solar light. It's actually really cool. And then some of the same similar plants as what's on the other side here. Some more Fragaria. The only plant I added here that I didn't to the other side is douglasii, Yerba Buena. And I'll put the correct new genus. And you can hear my neighbor, ha ha ha. And this is just a picture of me, my dad, my cousin, and one of my dad's brothers. This was probably from like 20 years ago, if that. Oh, and this is just an incense holder. But this is what the garden is currently looking like. I'm excited because if you had only seen it when most of the plants had died. Oh, this is a currently inactive worm bin. I'm debating on making it active again. The only problem is I never had much luck, so we'll see. But I'm currently really digging this layout. This potting bench was on this side, but I moved it, and I think it looks better here, works better here anyway. So yeah, this is the current state of my garden as of June 2022. Now obviously things will evolve, hopefully not too much. I might end up getting more plants. I mean, getting more pots and plants. Hopefully not. Hopefully I can rein myself in.